What if I told you that streamlining your business banking and accounting could be as simple as flipping a switch? That's the promise of integrating your business tools with a platform like Relay Bank. When I first started using Relay, my number one priority was making sure my bookkeeping and payroll weren't going to turn into a separate full-time job. I needed my banking to speak directly to my existing tech stack. After running my business with Relay for a while, I've settled on 3 key integration categories that are absolutely non-negotiable for efficiency. These tools connect directly to Relay, eliminating manual data entry and giving me a crystal clear view of my cash flow. Accounting software. The first and most critical area is accounting. Bad banking data makes bookkeeping a nightmare, and that's where Relay's direct connections shine. QuickBooks Online, QBO. This is one of the top integrations, and it's a game changer. Relay doesn't just send over basic data, it syncs comprehensive, detailed, and categorized transaction data directly into QuickBooks. This means when I log into QBO, I see accurate, up-to-date banking information automatically. This direct connection drastically speeds up monthly reconciliation. I also use the connected bill pay feature, so when I pay a bill in Relay, it gets marked as paid instantly in QBO, keeping my books clean. Xero. If you use Xero, the experience is similarly seamless. Like with QBO, Relay sets up a direct bank feed to sync all settled transactions. It ensures that every transaction, both in and out, is meticulously recorded. This level of detail and automation is crucial for pain-free bookkeeping, especially when you have multiple checking accounts in Relay for things like taxes or profit allocation. Payroll and HR. The next vital integration is for payroll. Running payroll without a direct link to your business bank account is asking for errors and headaches. Gusto. The integration with Gusto is fantastic. It's more than just sending money. The connection gives me detailed transaction data for payroll payments initiated by Gusto. More importantly, I get shortfall alerts from Relay if my account is at risk of not having enough funds before a scheduled payroll. This foresight is invaluable for cash flow management. Furthermore, for new hires, I can quickly import their details from Gusto into Relay to streamline setting up their corporate cards and bank access permissions. Payment and back-office tools. Beyond the big two, accounting and payroll, Relay connects to a host of other essential tools. For any tool without a direct API partnership, the bank's compatibility with secure data networks is key. Plaid and Yodlee. Relay works with Plaid, which is the secure financial data network used by tons of other money apps like Expensify. This extends Relay's functionality dramatically, allowing me to securely connect to a wide range of third-party platforms. It essentially ensures compatibility with many other tools I already use. Payment processors. Relay is designed to receive and send payments seamlessly with major platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Square. My income from these processors shows up clearly in my Relay accounts, giving me a consolidated view of where my money is coming from. While not a classic integration setup, the smooth connectivity is functionally identical to a direct link for my cash flow overview. The takeaway. From a first-person perspective, integrating Relay with my accounting and payroll tools has saved me countless hours of manual work and eliminated most reconciliation errors. The peace of mind that comes from knowing my books are accurate because the data is syncing automatically and directly is the biggest benefit of all. I can confidently say these connections, specifically QuickBooks Online, Xero, and Gusto, are the top tools I use to keep my business finances running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.